When everyone thought this was just a dream, Mercedes has finally done what no one was expecting. Yes, you heard it right. Mercedes has now openly announced that their YASA Flux engine has become a reality. Such a powerful, lightweight, and advanced engine, which until now was only being talked about in papers and rumors, is now ready to enter the real world. There is a stir in the entire auto industry. What is in this engine that can leave everyone behind? The question is also being raised whether this technology will become a headache for companies like Tesla and BYD in the coming time, and why Mercedes kept it hidden for so many years. In this video, we will tell you what the secret is behind the YASA Flux engine, how it works, and why it is being said that it is going to change the world of electric cars. So stay with us until the end, because the more you move forward, the bigger the revelations will surprise you. And yes, before moving on, please subscribe to the channel so that such great information reaches you first. What is the YASA Flux engine? This is the biggest question in everyone's mind today. After this new announcement by Mercedes, the whole world was shocked. What is this YASA Flux engine that is putting so many big companies under tension? Up until now, people pretty much ignored this engine, thinking it was just some experiment or maybe just a prototype. There were these quiet talks about it for many years. Some folks said it was just impossible, while others claimed it wouldn't become a reality for another 20 to 25 years. But well, Mercedes proved everyone wrong. Now the question comes up, where did Mercedes actually get such an idea from? The biggest challenge in electric cars has always been motor efficiency and battery range. The more power you need, the more battery you end up consuming, and the more battery you add, the heavier the car gets. This is where Mercedes engineers came up with a truly revolutionary idea. Why not make a motor that's small and light but still powerful enough to surpass all others? That's exactly how the concept of the YASA Flux motor was born. Now let's talk about the planning of Mercedes that made this day possible. Very few people know that Mercedes bought the YASA company in 2021. At that time, people thought it was just a simple deal. No one paid much attention, but in reality, Mercedes's real move began there. So, YASA was this small company over in Britain researching motor technology. They had developed these prototypes of flux motors that were really advanced, but they just didn't have the funds to scale up production. Mercedes, though, saw the real potential of what YASA had created. After buying YASA, they told the team, take as much time as you need, do as much research as you want. Just make a motor that sets a global example. After that, Mercedes stayed totally silent. There were no press conferences, no leaks at all. On the outside, everything looked calm, but inside, the Mercedes and YASA teams were working day and night. Testing kept going, failures happened, and then improvements followed. Mercedes kept things so secret that even its own dealers weren't informed. For them, it was just some plan for the future. Now, with this announcement, everyone's eyes are wide open. People can hardly believe that something once thought impossible is now standing right there on the showroom floor. By now you must be wondering why the YASA Flux engine is so special. What makes it different from other electric motors? Let's explain in simple terms. The motors used in electric cars until now mostly worked on radial flow design. In this setup, the current and magnetic field rotate in such a way that a large part of the energy is wasted as heat. The more power needed, the bigger and heavier the motor had to be. That's why it was always difficult to balance range and power in electric vehicles. You either got one or the other. Flux technology has completely changed this thinking. The flux motor works on an axial flux design. What does this mean? Think of it like this. The old design was like a wheel rotating round and round. The flux design is like a fan. Here the magnetic field and current move at such an angle that power wastage is almost negligible. So the biggest advantage, well, the motor size has become very small. Imagine this. Earlier, for the same power, you needed a 100 kilogram motor. Now the flux motor can deliver that same power with just 30 to 40 kilograms. Less weight means less pressure on the battery, and, more range. The second advantage is efficiency. The flux motor converts about 96 to 97% of energy into power. Older motors had lower efficiency and produced more heat. Flux motors stay cool and maintain performance longer. The third key point is power density. More power in a smaller size. The flux motor is so powerful it delivers almost double the output in the same space. That means vehicles can be lighter and still achieve more speed and acceleration. Mercedes engineers have, further enhanced YASA's flux technology. YASA's real specialty and foundational breakthrough was in finding that precise, optimal combination of magnets and windings, a delicate balance of material science and electromagnetic engineering, to make the motor super compact and incredibly power dense. That's precisely why Mercedes, recognizing this unparalleled potential, is planning to install this revolutionary motor in its high-performance cars, like its legendary AMG series, where extreme power and low weight are the ultimate priorities. Imagine the engineering marvel, a motor so light and compact it can actually be lifted by two people without any heavy machinery, yet so powerful and torque-rich it delivers genuine, pulse-quickening supercar performance that rivals the most exotic hypercars. That's a real game-changer, a fundamental shift in what is possible within an electric vehicle's powertrain. The benefits cascade throughout the entire vehicle. Flux motors make cars more responsive with instant torque and sharper throttle control. They indirectly extend battery life by operating with sublime efficiency. They enable the potential for faster charging by managing thermal loads more effectively. And they honestly deliver a fun, engaging, and visceral driving experience that was often missing in earlier electric vehicles. Not only that, the inherent design advantages of flux technology also significantly reduces manufacturing costs over time since it needs fewer large, complex and heavy parts, simplifying the assembly process and requiring less raw material. This means Mercedes, with its scaled production capabilities, can eventually bring this cutting-edge technology from the rarefied air of its performance division down to its mass-market cars, making it accessible to a much broader audience. And that's the strategic masterstroke. The brilliant and deeply calculated move by Mercedes that has sent shockwaves through the entire automotive sector, which is the fundamental reason why executives and engineering teams at other leading companies have genuinely lost sleep, staring wide-eyed at a future that is being rapidly disrupted and reshaped before their very eyes. This is why Tesla, BYD, and all the other major players in the fiercely competitive electric vehicle arena are now in a frantic race, pouring immense resources into research and development in a desperate attempt to either copy, independently develop, or outright acquire this very technology through corporate partnerships and acquisitions, collectively realizing, with a sudden and jarring clarity, that the goalposts for electric motor superiority, for what defines a cutting-edge and competitive powertrain, have just been decisively moved, setting a new benchmark that now renders many of their own current and planned technologies a step behind. In simple words, thanks to the inevitable and widespread adoption and continuous refinement of these advanced flux motors, which promise to become the new industry standard over the coming decade, the next generation of electric cars will become profoundly more economical for the average buyer to purchase and own, due to lower production costs and reduced energy consumption, significantly more powerful and exhilarating to drive, offering a level of performance and responsiveness that was once the exclusive domain of ultra-expensive supercars, and radically more efficient in their use of precious energy, squeezing every last kilometer of range from each kilowatt-hour stored in the battery pack, a combination of benefits that will ultimately accelerate the world's necessary and urgent transition to sustainable mobility by making electric vehicles an irresistibly attractive, practical, and superior choice for a global majority.